24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Masculine and feminine. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Language structure is based upon different concepts of grammar. Masculine and feminine is an important concept. Let's start the lesson. Learning objective. Students should be able to identify masculine and feminine separately. Recall. Ask the student how many brothers and sisters does he have? How many girls are there in the class? Are you a boy or a girl? Introduction. Start the lesson by writing nouns, male or female, on the board. Cut the pictures from the magazines and try to label them as an example below. Explain that masculine noun is the name of any boy, man, or a male animal. For example, boy, Ahmed, horse. Feminine noun is the name of any girl, woman, or any female animal. For example, girl, Samina, mare. Read. Make 2 columns on the board and write the following genders. Read and repeat them with the whole class. Masculine, feminine. Man, woman. Father, mother. Boy, girl. Uncle, aunt. Husband, wife. Actor, actress. Prince, princess. Waiter, waitress. Cock, hen. Uncle, aunt. Recognition. Divide the class in such a way that each row of students becomes a team. Ask each team one by one to give a masculine noun. The team which gives a wrong masculine noun loses a point. The team which writes a correct noun but spellings are incorrect loses half point. The team which gives more correct nouns wins. Do the same activity with the feminine noun. Play the game for 10 minutes. Ask the class to clap for the winning team. Review. Write 5 feminine nouns on the board. Ask the students to write their masculine. Woman, hen, girl, princess, wife. Writing. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.